guys, in this video I will show you how you can add custom text over map. So you can see just like your Mapbox GL labels, we are also getting our label, and we can use this layer for uh, for adding some text or tagging purpose. So if you want to add some information over map, you can use this text layer for your requirement. Okay, so let's uh, go to my Visual Studio Code, and here I already prepared my HTML document, and I am importing these Mapbox dependencies and Deck.gl dependencies and Axios for loading my GeoJSON file. So I already prepared this my map.geojson file. Here we have lot of available, and apart from this I am destructuring my tech class and getting my Mapbox and text layer, and I have created these amenities so that I can add them inside my map.json property, and so that I can render these name over map. So here if you see, I am rendering my map using this setting. So I think everything is done. Now on map road, I am just getting my map.json file, and I am adding these amenities inside my JSON properties. So with this, our data is ready. Now let me see. Okay, so we have to add some container. So I missed this thing. So you need to add a div container here. So let me create that once. Div, and I will do some styling with 100%, height 98 ph. Okay, so with this, I think we are done. Let me check uh, if we are loading our map correctly or not. So let me start my server. Okay, so we are loading our map successfully. Now I will go to the deck.gl official website for my text layer, and here you can see lot of uh, uh, information available here, and I will copy this much line of code from here, and I will paste it here. Okay, so for data I will use my features variable, and for positioning I will use t dot geometry dot coordinates, and for name I will use d dot properties dot type. Okay, so with this our layer is ready, and I will add type as text layer, and again I will make it my box layer. Okay, so our layer is ready. Now I will add this layer inside map. Okay, make it capital. Okay, so with this we are done. Now let me check it once again. Okay, everything is done. Now I will save it, and I will go to my browser. Let's see. So we are getting our text here, and you can also change color and size everything from here. So for color, for controlling your size, you can just reduce it. Like if I want to make it 20, you can do it, and you can also set alignment and anchor, and you can also set angle. So I will make it 0 right now, and let me see a sequence. So now you see our font size has been decreased. And let me change the color. So for color, let again visit a deck website. So here they had provided you a lot of properties that you can play with, and I need color, so I will use this property, and I will add it here, and I will assign you in a color like 200, 100, 200. Okay, add comma here. So let's see again. Okay, so but it's not looking that much good, so I will change the color one. Okay, I think make it 100. Now I want some dark color, so I will make it 200. Okay, so I think this is good, but let me make it 50 and 50 and 250. Now it's look fine. So you can use this layer for uh, adding text on your map. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is informative for you, then please do like and subscribe. And um, in next tutorial, I will come up with some more layer. So please be with me in my channel. Thank you.